When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is Nutribullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The Nutribullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the Nutribullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is Nutribullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the Nutribullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The Nutribullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The Nutribullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. Nutribullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Meet compact cordless convenience and full-size professional performance with the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless compact blender. The convenience of no longer being tied to an outlet makes use in any setting possible. This fully rechargeable, portable, and powerful compact blender is perfect to use at home or on the go. The 16-ounce travel cup with lid is BPA-Free and makes staying healthy on the go easy. The EvolutionX cordless rechargeable personal blender is powerful enough to crush ice, yet versatile enough to puree soups, dressings, and shakes. The blender base has slip-proof feet for sturdy use, runs on a rechargeable 7.4 lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, an LED display panel, and a removable 3-foot USB cable port. With the quick charge feature, this cordless compact blender will fully charge in 2 hours for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Stay on track anywhere you go with the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless compact blender.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something you're going to love. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending that morning smoothie, protein shake, or other blended beverage to go. The single-serve blender is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 13-ounce individual size jar means you can stop cleaning those large blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's light, simple, and easy to store and clean. The power cord wraps around the base for easy storage. It has stainless steel blades and a 175-watt motor that's powerful enough to make fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. It has one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button to blend. And best of all, the 13-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach is the most convenient way to make and take your smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.